Okay, we're going for a walk and just show you what we're putting up with here at the moment. Oop. Okay, well, as you can see, this is the back of the house, and there's my little creek. I had to race down there this morning to get my bench, because I usually have a bench seat sitting down there beside the creek. Had to race down there to rescue the bench. So this is what it's like at the moment, and we're trapped here. Completely trapped. The road, I raced into town this morning and only barely got back. Have a look at poor Buddha over there. I know he's blurry, but look. So I don't think Buddha's going to be there for much longer.